Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the exact Nest model, so you use the right reset method. Once you've backed up any settings and confirmed your Google account and Wi-Fi details, power the device but do not disconnect power unless specified. Now locate the hardware reset point, usually a pinhole or hold area on the base or back. Press and hold the button or touch area. You'll hear a chime or see a light change indicating the reset is initiated. For most models, you press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Nest Minis use a center touch, hubs use a rear button, thermostats may require a menu reset. You'll hear a confirmation tone or see LED behavior change. This tells you the factory reset is running. Make sure you continue holding for the full duration even after the first sound, because incomplete holds can leave partial settings. Once you release, wait for the device to reboot. After the device reboots, it will behave like new and broadcast setup cues. Open the Google Home app and follow on-screen steps to add your Nest back to your network and account. If the app cannot find the device, power cycle both the Nest and your router, then retry. Sometimes cached network states block discovery. If problems persist, record any error messages, try a different phone or Wi-Fi band, and contact Google support with the model and error details for.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.